Let's now move on, and we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, and these are from Chhattisgarh. Top sources have told Times Now that dreaded Maoist commander Basav Raj has been killed in a fierce encounter. Massive victory for our security forces, and Times Now getting you the first confirmation. Basav Raj, the top leader of the Maoist insurgency, was among 27 Maoists gunned down in a joint operation. That's the latest update coming in at this point in time, and this following an encounter of Maoists with security forces in Chhattisgarh. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi joining us on the broadcast. Priyank, firstly, tell us a little bit more about Basav Raj, who has also been killed in this fierce encounter.
Yes, Hina, that's a big breaking input which we are getting through sources, although the official list is yet to be released because the bodies are yet to be recovered, because the operation is still under process. But what we have got to know, that Basav Raj, who was the General Secretary, which is a very big rank in this particular Naxal unit, has been also eliminated during this fierce encounter, which started in the Mar division and the Dantewada division of Chhattisgarh. These are the prominent locations for the benefit of our viewers, which has been very strongly dominated by the Naxals over the period of last 40 years. What we can tell you to them, that they have a massive operation which has already been initiated by our security forces, knowing the fact that the Home Minister has already made his stand very clear that by the end of 2026, the Naxals will be eliminated from this Chhattisgarh zone. While talking about today in Chhattisgarh, Abujmar and Dantewada areas, there was an information which was received that the Naxals are once again trying to reunite, because the manner in which they were hit badly, their General Secretary, Basav Rao, had come to this particular location, and after an encounter, 27 of the Naxals have been gunned down, including him. And unfortunately, one of our Jawan has also lost his life, who was fighting bravely with these Naxals in this zone.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.